Hello. Today, my dog and I are going to show you how to create and share a Google document, right? Good boy. So we're going to start in Gmail, and in Gmail on the right side, the top right over here, we have this 9 dots icon. That's for all your apps, and so when you click on it, they'll all come here. You can scroll if you need to, but look for Drive. Right, the triangle one. Look for that, click on that. It will open in a new window. Okay, so you can see my drive here. I have some folders. I'm in my drive. There's also shared with me, which you would click on this to see files like, for example, that I shared with you for class. Another common or easy one is recent, where you can see files that you've used recently or that were recently shared with you. But right now, my drive is fine when you're creating your own, your own documents. So to do that, click on New, and you'll see some options: New folder, file uploads. We want Google Docs. We're going to make a new Google Doc. So click on that, and now it pops up. Mine looks different because I set it up more for in class when I share when I present on the screen. I want it big and with a not white background. Your document will look like this probably. Okay, where it looks like a piece of paper with a white background. Okay, you can ignore this over here, and you can ignore this if you have this kind of thing. Just start typing, put in the name of the assignment and your name. So, Unit 2, Activity 23, for example, and then your name. Right? So put your name, okay? And then come up here. This is where the name of the document goes. And at first it's untitled. It just has no title, has no name. But because we put this here on the first line, when we click up here, it will automatically add it as the name of the file. Okay? So now we've done that, just click outside of that box somewhere. Right? I just clicked back on the page, hit return. You can always change the title again by coming up here and clicking in that box. You can see it has the blue border. And then when you're done, you can hit return, you can hit the enter key, or you can just click on the page again. So now we've made the document and we've given it a name. We want to give it a name because if we don't, when we share, it'll ask us to give it a name. So we might as well just do it ahead of time. So now go to share. Again, it's over here in the top right. Click on share. And then just start typing in my name. You don't have to do the whole thing, right? SPA, SP, it should come up because you've already emailed me once, and I emailed and I shared our class document, our class file with you, right? So it should just come up. If it doesn't, then you can just type in the email address, right? You can type in my email address. Or in class, when we're sharing with a classmate for some peer review, you can type in their email address, and then it should find them, and you can add them. When they pop up, they will pop up in this middle area here, right? Just click on their name. It should give you a place to add a note to them, write a message to them. You don't need to do that. Okay, you can just click on done. So don't worry about sending a message, especially if you're sharing with me. Just click on done, and that's it. Okay, you can always click on share again. See how it says private to only me? That just, if you've shared it with me, with someone else, it'll say private to you and one other person. Right, or shared with 5 people, or something like that. You can always click on it, and then it'll show you everyone it's shared with. Okay, so you can always check if you don't remember. Okay, and you don't need to share with me again if you make changes. I can always see the most recent version. That's one of the great things about Google Docs, is that the people you share with can always see the most recent. So you don't have to reshare it, or you don't have to well, you might want to email them if it's important, and let them know. But as soon as they open it, they will see the most recent version, okay, the most up to date. Okay, So that's it. It's not too bad. Just from Gmail, click on this here, right? The waffle menu. Click on Drive, and then in Drive, click on New Google Doc, and then give it a title, and click on Share. Okay, click Done. Okay, that's all. That's how you create a Google Doc in Google Drive and share it. Okay, thanks.